Hey guys, in my previous video I said you that my granddaddy told me that everyone is really great in something. So I think that I'm good at doubling sums. And today I want to share knowledge how to double your initial deposit. So guys, that's why watch the video till the end. And let's start. Let's quickly set up indicators for my strategy that I developed, and especially for small accounts. For example, today I just have $8, but you can start from whatever sum you want. And let's set up an aggregate indicator. I want to keep the default colors and default meanings here. And I want to go further to my next indicator. It will be relative strength index. Pretty useful tool that helps me to see oversold and overbought condition. With default settings it's enough, but I want to make it a little bit more precious. That's why I will make my overbought area for 75 and my oversold area for 25. That's why this area has become a little bit wider, and this will be very useful. Later you will understand why. As you see, I have already selected 3 currency pairs, and let's get started. Let's get doubling my deposits that I think I will be able to earn a couple of $1,000 at the end of this video. And as I have $8 in my account, as I have not so much to lose, I will invest all of them. So let it be $8 in my investment. And for today's video, I'm doing all trades on 1 minute time frame and 1 minute time expiration, which means that all my trades will be open just for 1 minute and not more. So here, be ready for call option. Wow guys, this was great, amazing result, and the price here is constantly growing because the intersection alligator has happened. And yes, the signal was amazing. I can't stop here and I want to double my deposit of $15 one more time, and let's go to my first currency pair. When I just started trading, it wasn't so easy for me, and I went succumbed to my emotions and even lost huge sums of money, but now I became more smart, fortunately, and now I know how to manage all my assets, how to manage my money, and how to do this smartly. Here I will invest $15, but not because I'm over the moon from all of win trades, but because before I see clear signal one more time, I hope that this pattern will be repeated right here. So let's get closer to these candles, and let's open here trade for 1 minute and be ready for put option right now. So great again, it was pretty easy because the previous pattern here is repeating again, and this was amazing. My theory of support and resistance level, and can you see this resistance level doesn't allow the price to go higher, and that's why from this level the price is going lower and lower. So that's the key aspect of this strategy, and yes, with this strategy you can double your initial deposit from anywhere in the world, and that's why I love trading on binary options with this strategy especially. So now let me do one more trade, I think with the third currency pair, New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar. What we're having here? Oh, this is a flat line, which is not so great to trade with, but I like this bullish market. But anyway, I have to wait some time until the situation will be more clear, and as well as go to my first currency pair. Anyway, this currency has the biggest percentage of payout, and that's why I will invest my money here again. And right now I will invest here $27, and let's double my investment again. So here, be ready for put option right now. So well, again one more good signal and the excellent profit. And can you see this intersection of alligator indicator? After this intersection, the price is going in down direction, guys. And this is so predictable because that's the root technical analysis. And this is very simple. If you know these rules, you can easily double your investments and have unlimited income. So I think I will make one more trade, same on this chart, but the only thing I have seen here and that it can be pretty ambiguous for me is that the candle has stopped here a little bit. The fall of the price has stopped, but that can be one more opportunity for me to invest. I think $50 I think will easily double it. I know in advance how much I will be able to earn in this trade, so be ready for put option right now. So guys, brilliant trade and brilliant result. As I said, the price is going in down direction, but sometimes this trade was pretty risky. As I said, the price fall has stopped a little bit and now the price is falling much slower. But anyway, after this intersection I managed to earn my profit one more time. I opened this trade here twice and both times were profitable because this strategy is really working. As you see, my signals are amazing. And yes guys, by the way, you have an opportunity to trade with my signals because I post them in my Telegram community. If you have a desire to become a professional trader, you can simply follow my Telegram community where I post lots of best entry point and of course real my strategies for your own profitable trades, guys. So, and we can continue. Now I think we can go to my third currency, New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar, as the aim of this trading session to prove you have to double your sums pretty easily with alligator indicator and RSI. I will do here one more trade on this bullish market, and previously when I was checking this currency pair, I managed to see this flat line and this was not so great for me to trade. But now I see this price is a little bit lower than all the candles. All the bunch of candles. And here I think I will be able to invest, let it be $80. Why not? You see I have close to $100 in my account, but I will invest just 80% of my wallet. Yes. Money management is pretty important, and here be ready for put option right now. Great result again, guys. And yes, as you see, the price is falling. And why is the price falling? Look at alligator indicator. The green line is crossing the other red lines, which told me about the signal that the price would go lower. And this intersection gave me an amazing signal. Trading according with my signals is really brilliant. As you see, I doubled my investment, and this is so easy. I think I can check my first currency pair, and with the same strategy with this 98% of payout, I will gain more money, and I swear this currency pair will give me a lot of profit, especially if I invest here a little bit more money. So let it be $160. And yes, you can do this from anywhere in the world. It's pretty easy, you need just go internet connection and that's all. So guys, do you need any knowledge? Yes, of course, I need some knowledge, but you can gain them just by watching my videos. I fully reveal all the crucial points that you have to understand while trading on binary options, for example. And of course, you have to stick to some strategy. And this one with alligator and RSI is pretty useful. So as you see again, after this intersection, the price is getting lower and lower. And look at the parasites in the normal area. And what I can say about this chart also, we have to sit and to pay attention to the support and resistance level. Yes, one time this resistance level will give me a little hint. But this time, looking at this support level, we can notice that from this level, the prices start to rebounding. And this is pretty meaningful for me. That's why here I want to open one more position. So be ready for call option right now. Yeah, so I'm on the profit again. This was pretty easy, even so this intersection is alligator indicator, according to which the price is falling. I paid attention to this support level. You know, the support levels are the key aspects, and you have to pay attention to them also, because support level doesn't allow for the price to go lower. And that's exactly the knowledge that I use and apply exactly to this situation. If you have not so much knowledge but you want to start your career in trading, for example, I know what to do. Just put this video on pause and follow my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description under this video, and follow them. So guys, let's go to my second currency pair. As you see, starting from small account is also possible to overclock your deposit. For example, today I started just from $8 of my initial deposit, and already I have $360. Everything is pretty easy because I'm trading on this clear bearish market, which is this time had this upward movement. And right now the price is growing a little bit, and here I would like to invest $300. As you can notice, my strategy is that I'm trading on 1 minute time frame. This kind of scalping strategy that allows me to open as much trade as possible. And I think in 1 hour we'll get a really cool income if I'll be opening trade by trade. So here at this entry point, be ready for call option right now. Well, this was exciting. Again, I'm in profit. And yes, my granddaddy was really right. I'm pretty good at doubling the sums, and with my initial deposit I made so many successful and profitable trades. I'm sure that with this strategy you will always stay in a profit. And if you will trade with my signals, you will definitely be in a profit for sure. So I think we can go to my first currency pair, which is Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. I really like that the Quotex offers me the best choice of currency pair, which, by the way, have OTC tag. And some people think that that's not so reliable, but I will tell you the Quotex offers us really cool quotations. Doesn't matter if the pair have OTC tag or the pair is without OTC tag. The percentage of payout is really great, and trading with all the currencies is pretty reliable. So let's evaluate this situation one more time. As I said, from this level, the price is going in up direction, and it was so predictable. And I want to make profit one more time from this situation, and let it be $570 in my investment. And from this point, guys, be ready for put option right now. Well guys, astonishing result. It was really pretty exquisite profit from, because in 1 minute, as you see, 1 minute in my time expiration, in 1 minute I gained thousands of dollars. That seems crazy considering the fact that I'm starting just from $8, but that was pretty good. Yes, my talent is pretty nice and useful for me, and I want also to use my knowledges and start your career in binary options, because it can really give you money and you don't need much for earning these huge sums. So I want to apply this strategy to my second currency pair. So what you can find here, with 1,000 on my account, I can afford myself invest this money into this chart, but let's look also closer into details. What's happening right now on the chart? I can invest here $1,000, okay, but not, to be honest, I don't like this flat line. If some better situation on the chart right now, I will switch back to this situation. So let's check the third currency, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. I can invest my money to all these situations, trade by trade. I think I have to search for the best situation, and this one is definitely better. So again, after this intersection, it indicated the price is falling down, and now the price is close to our oversold area, but it's not crossing this line yet. So I think it's my time to enter this deal with $1,000 and be ready for put option right now. Amazing result again. And can you see this? I managed to double my initial investment, and this was so great. See, the price is falling down after this intersection with the alligator indicator, and look at my balance. I have the sum close to $2,000. That's unbelievable, but I think I deserve more today. That's why I want to go to my first currency pair. And what we're having here, pretty likely this volatility of the chart. And yes, this support level was already broken, but what about this support level? I think I can play an amazing trick with these knowledges and with $1,000 in my investment. So here guys, be ready for 1 minute trade in down direction right now. So guys, great result again. My account is growing and it's becoming bigger and bigger. And look, the price is falling down according to this intersection at alligator. Everything is so simple with my strategy with alligator indicator and RSI. So I definitely recommend to try this combination of indicators. You see, I'm so good at doubling sums. For example, my initial deposit. And today I'll start from just $8. $8, guys. And right now I have close to $3,000. Finally at the end of this trading session, and yes, I want to call today because today I earned really huge money. So I think a really good time to invite you to my Telegram channel because right now my signals are really working out in 100% cases. If you want to trade with my signal, just go to my Telegram channel. So it will be in the description under this video. And join my community of traders. So guys, I wish you good luck, stay always in profit, and bye bye.